Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Kill Switch Trader. Today in this video I will discuss with you Supertrend retracement and trending OI features from OI Pulse. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to know more about option scalping. So let's start. Today was a trending day and Bank Nifty gives almost 600 point up move today. In this video, I will show you how you can decode the data from trending Y tools from Y Pulse and how you can take entry via Supertrend retracement strategy today. Okay, so let's start this video and please watch this video till the end to know details about trending Y. Trending Y is basically a open interest interpretation tool from Y Pulse. It is basically a difference of open interest of call open interest and put open interest. So you can watch in this page that how call OI and put OI are changing. Look at the data from today's market. The time interval is 60 minutes. Okay. So here you can see the data of change in call OI and change in put OI. Okay. Change in call OI means writers are selling call options aggressively. Okay, and change in put OI means option writers are selling the put options more and more aggressively. Okay, so when change in call OI increasing means market sentiment is bearish, and when change in put OI is increasing means market sentiment is bullish. So when the difference of call OI and put OI is increasing in positive way means more call seller are active in this market, means more bearish sentiment are active in this market, and when the put OI is more than call OI means market sentiment is bullish. So the trending OI is basically the difference of change in put OI minus change in call OI. Okay, so look at the data here. After 9:30, the change in put OI is 32 lakh and change in call OI is 27 lakh. So difference is positive 4 lakh 62,000, means it's a bullish sentiment. Okay, so from the morning market sentiment looking bullish and trending Y also showing bullishness in this data. Okay, so now we have to check that whereas the data is increasing or not. If the data is increasing means more participants, more writers are coming in this market sentiment. Okay, so look, market sentiment is bullish from the market, and look at the data after 10:30 am. Okay, at 10:30 am the difference is 2,65,000, but it increasing after 10:30. Look at the difference at 11:30, it is 30 lakh, and at 12:30 it is 63 lakh, and at 1:30 it is 75 lakh, and at 2:30 it is 93 lakh, and it's and after the market closing the difference is 86 lakh. The difference is reduced because when the market is closing someone have unwinding their position, that's why the difference is reduced at the market. But look at the data. Look at the data, what you are seeing here, the difference is increasing continuously. That's the point. You have to check whether the data is increasing or not. When the data is increasing means more sellers are coming in the market, thinking that market will rise more and more. Okay, so when this type of data you will see, you have to just wait for price to come near super trend, or you have to just buy on dip. What is buy on dip concept? Okay, buy on dip concept is generally a concept of when the price is fallen with low volume, we can take entry in that trade. Okay, so we have to draw V up and volume super trend in our Bank Nifty future chart. Okay, and we have to wait for price to go above super trend. So here you can see that price is going above super trend, and After seeing the data, we will wait for price to come near super trend and we can take entry on that point. So look at today's chart. Okay, at 1:30 a.m. at 1:30 a.m. the data is showing bullishness, almost 75 lakh difference in trending Y data, and bank nifty future is coming near super trend with low volume, so we can take entry. If we take entry here, we will get almost 200 point here. Look at 1:30 p.m. chart of 35,000 C. 35,000 C is trending at 322 at 1:30 p.m. Okay, from 322 it rose almost 530, means you will get almost 200 point in the trade if you have traded that strategy. Okay, so super trade strategy is basically a buy on dip or sell on rise strategy. So you have to first check the data in trending Y page. If the data is showing bullishness, what we have to do, we have to wait for price to come near super trend and we can take entry on super trend. So here is the best and golden opportunity to enter here. Okay, you will get opportunity at the day end also, but I will not recommend you to take trade after 3 p.m. Okay, so for super trend retracement trade, remember one thing: for call option buying, the bank nifty future price should be above super trend and super trend should be above here. Don't take entry in that type of situation when bank nifty future price is trading between VWAP and super trend. It is called no trading zone. Wait for price to come above super trend and super trend above VWAP and then only take entry. So from trending Y data of Y pulse page, we can predict the market sentiment, whether the market is bullish or bearish. We can check the data in trending Y. If the data is increasing continuously, means more sellers are coming against that way. Market sentiment is bullish, means sellers are actively selling puts. Here look at the data. At the morning, the change in put Y is 32 lakhs, but at the time of 2:30, look at the data, it is almost 1 crore. So sellers put sellers are actively selling puts throughout the day today, thinking that market will rise more and more. And what happens, the market have rose more and more today. And after seeing the data, we can check the chart and we have to add three indicators. One is VWAP indicator, two is super trend indicator, and third is volume indicator. Okay, and draw a horizontal line at 50k at volume bar. Okay, for bank nifty. Now you have just wait, you have to just wait to price closes above super trend and super trend should be above here. When this scenario occurs, just wait for price to come near super trend with low volume and just take entry. Look at the chart at 1:30 a.m. Open option chart also. Okay, so here price at 1 p.m. 35,000 C was trading at 358 and the super trend was at 321. So what will we do? We will wait for price to come near super trend and we will take entry. Okay, so super trend was trading at 322, so we will take entry at 342 one lot, 332 one lot and 322 one lot. By that way, we can take entry in multiple step in that option. Okay, and we have to put a stop loss below super trend. If a candle close below super trend in bank nifty future chart, we can exit our position. There is no defined particular stop loss for option trading, so we have to check the chart always. If a candle closes below super trend, we can close or we can exit our position. That's the rule you have to follow. And you have to also check that whenever retracement is happening, the retracement happening with low volume. If retracement happening with large volume, means more than 50k volume, we can avoid that trade. That's the way you can trade into super trend retracement strategy. Okay, and for sell on rise, you have to wait for price to come near Supertrend and you can buy the put option. So here in this video I have explained you how you can decode the data from trending Y software of Y Pulse, and you can use that trending Y to buy call or put option through bank nifty future chart in Supertrend retracement strategy. It's basically a wonderful strategy. Just practice it for at least 6 months with a small quantity, and you can earn more and more if you practice at least 6 months. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get latest and more updates about option scalping. Thank